What is a climate zone? Exploring Earth's diverse climates. Climate zones are vast regions on Earth characterized by similar atmospheric conditions, temperature ranges, and weather patterns. These zones play a crucial role in shaping the planet's biodiversity, ecosystems, and human societies. In this video, we will delve into the concept of climate zones, the factors influencing their formation, and the diverse climates found across the globe. A climate zone is a large geographic area with relatively uniform climatic conditions, including temperature, precipitation, and atmospheric patterns. These zones are typically classified based on temperature and are broadly categorized into tropical, subtropical, temperate, polar, and highland climates. Each climate zone exhibits distinct features that influence the flora, fauna, and human activities within it. Located near the equator, the tropical climate zone experiences high temperatures year-round. This zone is characterized by lush rainforests, diverse wildlife, and a high level of precipitation. Regions within the tropics include the Amazon rainforest and the Congo Basin. Situated between the tropical and temperate zones, subtropical climates are characterized by hot summers, mild winters, and moderate rainfall. This zone often features grasslands, shrublands, and Mediterranean-type ecosystems. Examples include parts of California and the Mediterranean region. The temperate zone experiences distinct seasons, including warm summers and cool winters. Deciduous forests, grasslands, and mixed forests are common in this zone. Regions with temperate climates include the eastern United States, Europe, and parts of China. Near the poles, the polar climate zone is characterized by extremely cold temperatures and minimal sunlight during winter. Tundra and ice-covered landscapes define this zone, with examples including the Arctic and Antarctic regions. Found in mountainous areas, highland climates exhibit variations in temperature and precipitation based on elevation. These zones often host unique ecosystems adapted to the challenging conditions. The Himalayas and the Andes are examples of highland climate regions. Several factors contribute to the formation and delineation of climate zones. Latitude. The Earth's axial tilt and its position relative to the Sun influence the distribution of solar energy, resulting in temperature variations across different latitudes. Altitude. Elevation or altitude significantly affects temperature and precipitation. Generally, temperatures decrease with increasing altitude, leading to the formation of distinct highland climates. Ocean currents. Ocean currents play a crucial role in redistributing heat around the planet. Regions influenced by warm ocean currents tend to have milder climates, while areas impacted by cold currents may experience cooler temperatures. Wind patterns. Global wind patterns, such as the trade winds and westerlies, contribute to the movement of air masses and influence precipitation patterns in various climate zones. Understanding climate zones is vital for various fields, including ecology, agriculture, urban planning, and environmental science. Key aspects of their significance include biodiversity. Climate zones influence the types of flora and fauna that can thrive in a particular region. Different ecosystems and biodiversity hotspots are associated with specific climate zones. Agriculture. Farmers and agricultural planners use knowledge of climate zones to select suitable crops, planting times, and cultivation techniques. Matching crops to the local climate enhances agricultural productivity. Human settlements. Climate zones influence human settlement patterns, with factors like temperature, precipitation, and the availability of water playing a crucial role. Urban planning and infrastructure development take climate considerations into account. Tourism. Understanding climate zones is essential for the tourism industry. People often choose travel destinations based on the climate they prefer, whether it's a tropical beach, a mountain retreat, or a cultural city experience. Climate change impact. Climate zones serve as indicators of climate change. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns within these zones can have significant ecological and societal impacts, affecting agriculture, water resources, and biodiversity. What defines a climate zone? A climate zone is a large geographic area with relatively uniform atmospheric conditions, temperature ranges, and weather patterns. These zones are categorized based on factors such as temperature, precipitation, and wind patterns. How are climate zones classified? Climate zones are typically classified based on temperature into categories such as tropical, subtropical, temperate, polar, and highland climates. These classifications help characterize the diverse climatic conditions found across the Earth. What factors influence the formation of climate zones? Several factors contribute to the formation of climate zones, including latitude, altitude, ocean currents, and wind patterns. The distribution of solar energy, the impact of elevation, and the movement of air and ocean currents all play a role in shaping different climate regions. Why is understanding climate zones important for agriculture? Understanding climate zones is crucial for agriculture because different crops thrive in specific climatic conditions. Farmers use this knowledge to choose appropriate crops, planting times, and cultivation techniques, ultimately maximizing agricultural productivity. How do climate zones impact human settlement patterns? Climate zones influence human settlement patterns as people tend to gravitate towards regions with climates that suit their preferences and needs. Factors such as temperature, precipitation, and water availability play a crucial role in determining the suitability of an area for habitation and development. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.